This is a Ruger Precision Rimfire rifle. A rifle purpose-built for shooting long-range 22 LR or just small targets close in. Shooting from the BX-15 magazine, you have plenty of capacity to get through most stages or most plate racks. We feature an oversized replaceable bolt knob and the Ruger Big Gun adjustable bolt thrower technology, giving a bolt travel very similar to that of a short-action centerfire. The entire experience of this rifle, the ergonomics that fit the field, translate very well as a trainer to the full-size precision rifle. We have the exact Ruger Precision adjustable trigger, the same AR-style grip and reversible safety, giving you the same reach to the safety, the trigger, and the same length of pull, comb height, comb position adjustments. We simplified to one cam lever and can easily adjust the comb up and down, fore and aft, and length of pull, and a simple clamp with very fine adjustments. The receiver is topped with a 30 MOA canted scope base, giving enough elevation for most optics to be able to reach out to 300 yards with the elevation available in the turrets. A 15-inch free float handguard features Magpul's M-LOK slots, an attachment system giving plenty of space and real estate for bipods and other accessories. An 18-inch cold hammer forged barrel gives great accuracy with the rimfire cartridge, and of course it's threaded 1/2-28 for your favorite sound suppressor or any other muzzle device. The Ruger Precision Rimfire is a great option for a fun day on the range, to be your introduction to long-range shooting, or just blasting on small targets up close. For more information, visit Ruger.com or your local firearms retailer.